In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp, ensuring you successfully get Meta AI integrated into your WhatsApp experience. Let's dive in and troubleshoot the issue together. First things first, it's crucial to ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp Desktop or WhatsApp Web. Many features depend on updates, and keeping your app current is key to avoiding glitches. So take a moment to check for updates and install them if necessary. This step often resolves connectivity and functionality issues before they start. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone, navigate to the Meta AI chat, or start a new conversation with it directly on your mobile device. Sometimes, initiating interaction on your phone triggers the Meta AI icon to appear on your PC. This might seem simple, but the synchronization between devices can sometimes be prompted this way. If you're still experiencing difficulties, a quick restart of WhatsApp on your PC might do the trick. Ensure that you completely close the application and then reopen it. This can clear minor bugs and refresh the app's connection to Meta AI. It's surprising how often a simple reboot can reset things back to normal. Another important aspect to check is your internet connection. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reconnecting your PC to the network can make a difference. A stable and fast internet connection is essential for all features of WhatsApp to work seamlessly, especially when incorporating new tools like Meta AI. If the issue persists, consider clearing your cache or resetting the WhatsApp PC app. For those using WhatsApp Web in a browser, clearing cookies specifically for WhatsApp may help. Once you've done that, log in again to refresh your session. This step often helps eliminate any residual data that might be interfering with the app's operation. Lastly, it's worth noting that Meta AI might not be available in all regions simultaneously. If you're in an area where the feature isn't supported yet, patience is required as the service continues to roll out globally. Rest assured, the feature should reach you soon, and keeping your app up to date will ensure you get it as soon as it's available. By following these steps, you should be able to seamlessly integrate Meta AI into your WhatsApp experience. Keep in mind that technology sometimes requires a little patience and troubleshooting, but these tips are designed to minimize any disruptions. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you successfully get Meta AI up and running on your WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.